In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin Forerunner 265 watch to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up your Garmin Forerunner 265. The steps that I'm going to give you in this video will apply specifically for this model. However, the general process is going to be the same for other models as well. So to start, you need to download the Garmin Connect application. So I recommend going over to the App Store, looking for Garmin Connect, and downloading the app from there. Once you have the latest version of the app, you will be able to get this done. So when you first power on your Garmin Forerunner 265, there is going to be a screen asking you to set it up. So you will be able to choose the language, and immediately upon choosing the language, it is going to ask you if you want to pair it up with a phone. Now, if you selected no the first time that this appeared, you will be able to go over to the settings and find the option available in there as well, under the option pair phone. But if you choose yes the first time that you power it on, you will be required to download the Garmin Connect application. So as long as you have the Garmin Connect application already downloaded, or you go over to the App Store and you download it now, you will be able to get this done. Inside of Garmin Connect, choose the option to add a device after you sign into an account, and usually the watch should be automatically detected as long as it is within close proximity of your iPhone. But if it doesn't get detected, tap Add Watch, like I displayed here, and you will be able to browse through all of the compatible devices that they have. So choose Forerunner, and then you will be able to find your specific model, in this case Forerunner 265. So when you choose it from the list here, and as long as it is in close proximity of your iPhone, it is going to display a code that you can input inside of the application. Immediately upon inputting the Bluetooth request code, you will be good to go to get this process done. Sadly, I can't show you the full process on screen, but as soon as this is done, you will be able to set it up. You can change the goals, change your schedule, and everything is going to be managed within the application. If it doesn't work, restart both devices, and as long as you choose the option to pair your phone, you select the Forerunner 265 and you put it within close proximity, you will be able to connect them both. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Forerunner 265 watch to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.